sa akin as
Oh, yun
a
din hindi mo
photographer.
makalimutan, oo.
Oo. Yung unang memory ko was buying my first DSLR. Tapos ang pera ko noon was half the price lang nung DSLR na gusto ko that time. Tapos yung tatay ko, siya yung nagpuna nung half. So
Mm,
pinag-ambagan namin yung camera. So medyo may sentimental value siya. And at the same time, medyo ano emotional dahil yun nga kasi my dad just passed away. So yun yung isa sa
condolences.
parang madalas ko hindi ko alam kung magpapasalamat ba ako pero hindi tawag dito madalas kong naiisip yung mga tulong na ginawa niya sa akin as of the moment. Second was uh, my mom being hesitant